guys, I'm here today with the Roomba Plus 405. I just wanted to do a quick review on it and share a few things that I really like about it. First of all, the newest technology is the LiDAR radar here. It is used for mapping your room, and you can go into the app after it maps out your room and do no-go zones and really map out the house so that it knows exactly where to go and where not to go. That's the first thing that's pretty new, very nice technology. The second part is the bottom with the super scrubbing mops here. So now it comes in two separate circles and it does a spinning cycle, so it cleans double the cleaning here. So a deep scrub with the spinning disc, two separate ones. And then the vacuum also has 70 times more suction compared to the older 600 series. Besides those two, once you finish using it, it's going to go back home onto the home base, and it's able to empty out the dirty water in the gray tank and then refill new water from the new tank. And then also it's going to empty the bin where it vacuums as well. So everything's automated, saves you a lot of time from cleaning and emptying and refilling. All of it is now automated in one system. So these bins are very easily, you just unlatch it on the side right here. Okay, you refill it to the max. This is the clean water bin. Close it, and then you just drop it right on top. This is the gray water bin, which is the dirty water. You just take it out, empty it, and then close it, and then put it right on top. And then it'll take care of it itself. So those are a few of the features I really like and want to share that with you. Hope the review helps. Enjoy!